I've got so many milliamps, I'm gonna charge the sun. What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanna talk about the two different battery banks that I got a chance to check out from Omnicharge. These are the Omni 20 Plus and the Omni Ultimate. Now these are not your conventional battery banks like you see out there from Anker or anything like that, which doesn't take away from those folks at all, but these are a whole new generation of power between the Omni 20 Plus and the Omni Ultimate, and you can pretty much charge just about anything with it, kinda. Probably not like actual appliances in a home. These chargers are marketed as something that says you can free yourself from the wall with the full-sized wall outlet included on both. They offer a flexible power solution for basically any situation at all, which means if you need to charge a drone, a laptop, phones, iPads, tablets, cameras, GoPros, again, basically everything with the exception of household appliances, and I'd argue that even a coffee maker would probably run off one of these, you can pretty much charge just about anything that you need to completely on the go. The Omni 20 Plus is equipped with a 60-watt USB-C port, a 100-watt AC outlet, has fast charging available as well, and has wireless charging available right on the top at 10 watts. So it's, again, definitely going to charge all of the things that you possibly have. Now I mentioned that 60-watt USB-C output is a laptop-grade USB-C port, which means you can take it with you, connect your laptop directly to it via USB, leave all of your chargers at home because you have the ability to do so. Basically, you're going to be able to charge all of the things on one tiny brick. There's another thing that I think is really cool that most people don't even realize with the Omni 20 Plus and the Omni 20 Ultimate. There's a universal barrel port on the side which is programmable. It means you can adjust the DC current for the device that's specifically plugged into it, which means it's kind of like a one-size-fits-all barrel plug. It means you don't have to carry around heavy-duty power adapters or anything like that, and you can plug this thing in, program it right on the little digital OLED screen that they have, and bam, that's it. It's done. There's also no more guessing about how much power you need on all of your devices. If you need to know how much to have, you can program the OLED screen and know exactly how much power your devices need and how much the Omnicharge is providing to those specific devices. Now I mentioned it before, the wireless charging is 10 watts, the USB-A on the front is 18 watts, the AC output's 100 watts, and the DC current input and output is also 100 watts. The Omni 20 Plus is a whopping 20,000 milliamp hours in terms of the battery and weighs about 1.35 pounds. Now the Omni Ultimate comes in around 3 pounds and has a tremendously beastly 38,400 milliamp hour batteries. And bonus, you can use both of these on an airplane and they meet the TSA requirements, which means they're not going to steal your batteries. Now that Omni 20 Plus, you can get up to 10 charges on an action camera, 5 on a DSLR, 1 to 2 different drones, 5 smartphones, 2 tablets, and 1 full charge on a laptop. Probably something about a partridge tree as well. Now with the Omni Ultimate, you can get 20 GoPro charges, 12 camera charges, and when I say camera charges, I mean DSLR camera charges, 10 phones, 5 tablets, 2 laptops, and 4 drone charges, all on the one battery pack that has all of the outlets that you would need to charge every single one of those things. Similar to the Omni 20 Plus, the Ultimate does have 120 watts DC out, 60 watts USB-C, 18 watts QC 3.0 USB-A, 120 watt AC port, 90 watts DC port, and again, more partridges in a pear tree. One of the more interesting things is that the Ultimate allows for an interchangeable battery system that allows you to replace the batteries once they're fully depleted. You can effectively use the same shell with the OLED display if the battery goes bad or you need to do a swap, or if you have one charging over there and you store it up and then you want to swap it out because maybe you're going on a long camping weekend, you can do just that. Now speaking of camping, I recently took these two when I went to a cabin with the family and specifically challenged myself, my wife, and my 3 kids to use nothing but these to charge 2 phones, 3 tablets with some moderate usage. Needless to say, we completely depleted the Omnicharge 20 Plus, the 20,000 milliamp hour battery one, but we did not fully deplete the Omni Ultimate. So 38,000 plus another 20,000 lasted us the entire weekend with moderate use. Now there is one thing about all of this cool tech. It is definitely not cheap. The Omni 20 Plus is $199, so it's definitely not going to be one of those ones that's cheap like other brands out there. But there's a lot of goodness that you get with these particular things. The Omni Ultimate is $399. Those are definitely not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. However, and this is basically why I got them, there's so much power here, I had this theory that I could do a full live show to be conducted only using these items as the power supply. And to prove that, once we get a above freezing day, I'm going to do a live show on YouTube from a parking lot using nothing but these items as my power supply. That means I'm going to use a Rodecaster Pro with a Rode microphone, everything that I need, my laptop, the whole 9 yards, to do a live show off of a battery bank and probably LTE/5G. If you want to check that out, let's wait until it goes a little bit warmer in Ohio, and then I'm going to be doing that. Don't worry, I'm going to post this all over social media, so follow me on all my social medias, which is linked in the description below, so you can check out that live show done on nothing but battery banks. So that's it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. See you next time.